Welcome to Land Rover. Land Rover's worldwide reputation has been built on a history of engineering excellence. Ever since the early days of the groundbreaking utilitarian go-anywhere Land Rover, the company has pushed the boundaries of motoring innovation time and time again. New models, new technologies, and a constant awareness of the changing demands and tastes of motorists have kept us at the forefront of the automotive industry for more than 50 years. From the post-war years to the high-tech, computerized world of the 21st century. The Land Rover story begins in post-war Britain. Resources are scarce, and there is an urgent need to kickstart peacetime production. At the Rover car company, a new approach is required to find valuable new export markets and keep its giant factory in operation. Whether by good luck or good timing, Maurice Wilks, chief engineer at Rover, and his brother Spencer, the chairman, hit on the idea of a civilian, peacetime, go-anywhere vehicle. In just 5 months, the first prototypes of the project, known from the start as the Land Rover, are ready. The Amsterdam Motor Show, 30th of April 1948. Innovation takes the world stage. The Land Rover breaks the mold of conventional thinking. It has 2 ranges of gears, 4 high, 4 low, using a transfer box for maximum use of the engine torque. The backbone of the vehicle is an immensely strong box-section steel chassis with non-corroding aluminium alloy body panels and flooring, and a handbrake acting directly on the transmission to hold the vehicle securely on the steepest of inclines. From day one, the Land Rover has been designed as a multi-purpose vehicle system. With a winch, power takeoffs, center and rear, and the class-leading ability to tow loads of up to 900 kilograms. Even now, it seems astonishing that so many new ideas were to be found in one vehicle concept. Ideas which have been crucial in shaping the future direction of all four-wheel drive design and engineering. Even as the Wilks brothers were blazing a trail in technology, the world's adventurers and explorers were blazing new trails in Land Rovers through uncharted territory. As early as 1949, Colonel Leblanc drove from Britain to Abyssinia. And in the 50s, men like Lawrence van der Post pioneered the use of Land Rovers for expeditions as he set out in search of Bushmen and the lost world of the Kalahari. The company showed flair and foresight. Expeditions reached inhospitable regions of the world and demonstrated the guts and capability of the product to potential customers. So support was given to professional explorations under the aegis of the Royal Geographical Society, for whom Land Rover remains a sponsor to this day. In the late 1960s, a new kind of market for four-wheel drive vehicles was emerging, one in which leisure and recreation played an important part. Taking early notice of developments in the USA, Land Rover began a project which was to yield yet another world-beating product, the Range Rover. Launched in 1970, it was a revolution in motoring. Here was a car robust as the Land Rover when driving off-road, yet offering much more refined ride and handling in normal driving conditions. The Range Rover introduced coil springs, a self-leveling rear suspension strut, dual-line disc brakes, a powerful V8 engine, and a re-engineered permanent four-wheel drive system. The Range Rover's success worldwide has made it an icon of British motoring. Its distinctive, classic design has even earned it a place in the Louvre in Paris as an example of modern sculpture. The Range Rover spearheaded Land Rover's revival in the 1980s and heralded the company's return into the crucial US market.
The Range Rover. You'll undoubtedly be seeing these exceptional vehicles on the road. Or maybe not.
Key to Land Rover's success was the third model line, launched in 1989, the Discovery. Neatly bridging the gap between the utilitarian Land Rover, now renamed Defender, and the more luxurious Range Rover, the Discovery was both practical and versatile. Discovery quickly became Europe's best-selling car in its class, production soaring from 60,000 to 120,000 units a year in just 4 years. In 1997, Land Rover presented Freelander, an exciting and innovative contribution to the fast-growing market for lifestyle 4x4 vehicles. It was the first Land Rover to be built as a monocoque construction, with an integrated chassis. Mounting the engine transversely helped keep the dimensions compact. In true Land Rover tradition, it was engineered from the start for off-road performance. Its exceptional engineering included the first application of Land Rover's award-winning electronic hill descent control, ensuring safe negotiation of steep downhill gradients. Powered by a choice of 1.8 and 2.5-litre V6 petrol and 2-litre turbo diesel engines, and available in 3- and 5-door soft and hardtop versions, Freelander's broad appeal meant that it took the market by storm. Within a year, sales volumes more than doubled, and Freelander became the best-selling 4x4 in Europe. Never before had a vehicle offered customers such a combination of fun, refinement, and flexibility. By the late 90s, the full-size leisure sector was the most competitive arena in 4x4. Series 2 Discovery was launched in 1998, Land Rover's 50th anniversary year, offering new levels of engineering refinement and driving dynamics, while staying true to the essential packaging and design that made it a market leader. It was the first four-wheel drive to feature active cornering enhancement and featured a new TD5 diesel engine, which offered customers unbeatable fuel economy and low costs of ownership. Until now, the pace of vehicle development at Land Rover had been relatively slow. 7 vehicles in 52 years. But Land Rover was about to embark on a radical program of vehicle development. The all-new generation Range Rover was launched in 2002 after a £1 billion investment. With its stunning exterior design, luxurious interior, new engine range, suspension and transmission system, superb levels of comfort, refined on-road performance and exceptional off-road abilities, the new Range Rover reinforced its status as a vehicle like no other in the marketplace. The most complete luxury 4x4 in the world. For 2004, Freelander was also given the family face established by Range Rover and the 2003 Discovery, giving it greater road presence and a striking new interior. Brand new to the range, the exhilarating Freelander Sport has today become the most agile and responsive Freelander yet. Discovery 3 LR3 made its debut in 2004. The first all-new Land Rover developed since the acquisition by the Ford Motor Company in 2000, and the most technologically advanced, boldest vehicle that Land Rover has ever produced. A vehicle of engineering and design conviction, Discovery 3 LR3 is absolutely true to its predecessors, yet thoroughly modern. The first Land Rover to feature a new integrated body frame, Discovery 3 LR3 delivers on-road composure and incredible off-road capability. It is also the first vehicle to feature terrain response, a Land Rover patented technology that brings together 50 years of Land Rover 4x4 expertise. The flexibility of interior space is also outstanding. Its 7 adult seats are configurable in 100 different ways, and all 3 rows of forward-facing seats fold flat to create a load space 2 meters long. By the start of 2005, the market for premium SUVs was growing faster than any other. And Land Rover recognized that it needed to create a vehicle that was without compromise in terms of on-road comfort or off-road capability. Previewed by the Range Stormer concept vehicle, Land Rover created a sports tourer with outstanding on-road dynamics, a vehicle that was exciting to drive and which was engaging and enjoyable over long distances. Called Range Rover Sport, this vehicle is an all-new 5th nameplate that sits between Discovery 3 LR3 and the Range Rover. Sharing some of the Range Rover's design cues, but utterly distinct in terms of its sporting attributes, the Range Rover Sport has been designed to appeal to a new type of customer. At the same time, Land Rover has maintained its commitment to continually refine and improve its flagship with the launch of the Range Rover for 2006. Today, Land Rover offers a core product range of 5 models, each specifically designed to meet customers' needs in every segment of the marketplace. Defender, Land Rover's most capable off-roader, trusted by those who demand the most from their vehicle. Freelander, the versatile and spirited Land Rover for the driver looking for urban sophistication and off-road capability. Discovery 3 LR3, the purest expression of a modern and contemporary Land Rover. Bold design, off-road leadership, and immediate on-road enjoyment. Range Rover Sport, a sports tourer that excels on and off-road. Fast, agile, and exhilarating to drive, it fuses the excitement of a tourer with the versatility of a Land Rover. And the Range Rover, our flagship, the most complete luxury 4x4 in the world. Land Rover is committed to protecting the environment, and we ensure sound environmental practice in all of our activities, from the design of our vehicles to our commitment to providing responsible instruction through the Land Rover Experience, where owners can enjoy professional instruction in 4x4 driving. It participates in numerous global conservation and exploration projects and sponsors organizations such as the Born Free Foundation, the Royal Geographic Society, Biosphere Expeditions, and the China Exploration and Research Society, all of whom share our passion for the great outdoors. Today, the legend that is Land Rover continues to grow. The vision and determination of those pioneering men of half a century ago now inspire a new generation of designers and engineers who are delivering new standards in motoring.